All right, we're doing it. We're doing it. Hey everyone, so today I'm super excited to record this video, and that is a luxury handbag collection. I love these videos. These are some of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube, and I've noticed that a lot of people have been uploading them. It's 2021 now, so you know we want to show what's in our collection, what might have left, and it's a good marker for us that show you our bags, what we keep and what we do not keep throughout the year. I definitely don't have the biggest collection in the world, but I am super happy and thankful for the collection I have acquired. For I'd say the past 12 years, I've been collecting bags for a long time. I am 25, so I've had a decent amount of time to collect the bags that I do have. Now, saying that, all of my bags are pre-loved bags. That's what works for me budget-wise, and also for me, it's so much more fun. I'm just gonna get started showing you guys the bags. So yeah, let's get started. So the first bag I'm gonna show you is my Speedy 25 from Louis Vuitton, and it is in the monogram print. I purchased it pre-owned from Fashionphile, and I purchased it in 2015. This bag was originally made in 2006, so it did come with a decent amount of wear, but I've been taking care of it. I don't know if you guys are aware of the Patina champ method, the champ cleaning method, but that's what I've done with this bag, and so far I'm pretty happy with the results. This is one of my most used designer bags. It's super easy. I decided to go for the 25 because I just really liked smaller bags at that time, but this bag will always stay in my collection. Alright, and my next Louis Vuitton bag is my last Louis Vuitton bag, and that is the Mini Lin bag. It is named the Horizontal Alma bag, I think. I purchased this pretty recently, not super recent, but in 2019 I actually purchased this bag off the RealReal. I have yet to use it. I haven't used it yet just because of the shape and you know everything that's been going on. I don't know if you know, but the world's been a little shut down, but I love how retro it looks, super unique. I love Louis Vuitton when it was designed by Marc Jacobs. That was my favorite time. I just think this bag is super interesting, and I'm super happy I purchased it. And the next designer we have is Chanel. I only have one bag from Chanel, but it is the East West chocolate bar flap bag in the black lambskin leather with the gold hardware. And I purchased this bag off of Fashionphile. This is the most expensive bag I have in my collection. It was right around about $1,000 when I purchased this, and I purchased this in 2018. Now these bags are going for about $2,000 I've seen on the pre-owned market right now, and I was just really fortunate to get this bag when I did. It's in super good condition, and I just love this bag. I like how it's super unique. I like how it's like a shoulder fit, it's not a crossbody fit. I just love how this bag has a unique twist on the classic take. This might be the only flat bag that I ever acquire in my life because of the recent price increases, even on the pre-owned market. It's kind of insane, but I just love this bag, and I'm so happy I got to pick this up when I did. Alright, next we are moving on to Gucci. I only have two bags from Gucci, and this was at a point in my fashion that I was really into the 70s. The 70s style is still a part of my personal style, but I bought these bags when I was really into it. I have the 1970 leather crossbody. I don't know if that's the official name, but that's what it was listed as on Fashionphile, and I bought this bag in 2018. It is a beautiful mini leather bag, and it has a long gold chain. To wear crossbody, it's a super long chain, which makes this bag a little bit tough for me to wear at times, but it is a gorgeous bag. I loved it when I first bought this. I don't use it as much anymore, and I love the vintage Gucci logo. They reissued this logo from the original 1970s Gucci collection. And I love this bag so much that in 2017 off of Fashionphile, I also got the purple metallic bag. But it's such a stunning color. You can see it. It's definitely has a metallic sheen to it. And yeah, I was so lucky to get these bags when I did. I got them both around the $400 mark. I feel like these go up and down depending on the condition, but I again feel like they're super classic, and I don't think that these are super trendy bags, even though that it kind of has a more trendy logo on the front. Those are my two bags from Gucci. And my next bag is the only bag that I have from Dior, and it is a Lady Dior. I don't know if you guys can see, there you go. Well, the lighting is off, but the little pattern on there. This is a vintage suede Lady Dior bag. I'd say that this is one of the most unique bags I have in my collection. I purchased this in 2017, again off of Fashion File, and I have yet to see another Lady Dior like this. I haven't seen one since. There definitely is some wear on it because it is a suede, and the handles are glazed and they have cracked a little bit, but that's okay with me. It's such a unique bag. I love it. I love that it's kind of like the mid sizing. It's not too small, not too big. And the fact that I got it in this suede, it's squishy, so it does have the old zipper on the top, which is known to be very hard to use when it's the structured leather. And since I got it in the suede, it's actually very easy to use. And yeah, I love this bag. Probably will never part with this one just because I've never seen any bag like it, and it is a classic. My next bag is another designer. It is the single bag I have from this designer, and that is Saint Laurent. And it is the baby duffel bag in red. I purchased it in 2017 from Fashion File. It seems 2017 was a year when I was doing a lot of purchasing, so yeah, but I love this bag. I love red bags, and I love the size of this. It is a mini bag, but you can still fit a lot of stuff in here. And the leather is so nice, so supple. It scratches a tiny bit easily, but nothing too bad. And I just think it's so classic looking. I like how the logo is just in the middle there. I wish Saint Laurent would do more leather bags like this opposed to the huge logos they do with like the chevron and the chain bags. I just think that their leather bags really do set them apart, but they don't really design with full leather anymore and with more subtle designs. So I'm really happy that I got this when I did. And we only have two bags left, so the next designer I'm going to do is Fendi. This is my only bag from Fendi, and it is a vintage style. I don't know if it was from the late 90s or early 2000s. It's hard to get a lot of information on this bag, but I saw it on eBay at one point, and I've seen it on a few models. And I purchased this in 2020 off of Poshmark. And the Poshmark seller was exclusively a luxury pre-owned handbag seller. And I did do a little bit of research on my own, so I know that it is authentic. And I actually got a really good deal on it because, you know, it was right when the pandemic hit and they needed to get rid of stock. So I actually got this bag for under $400, and it's beautiful. And it is the Fendi Velour Tote in the red and black. It sits perfectly at my rib cage. It's just super 90s to me, and the velour is in such good condition. I love the logo on this. It's so beautiful. The inside is in such good condition, and I feel like was very lucky when I found this bag in such good condition. I'm kind of shocked that this bag isn't really as talked about because I just think it's such a cool style. It's a little bit trendy, but not too trendy. That being said, I haven't seen a bunch of these on the market, probably because these are super hard to take care of and they're probably not in the best condition. But yeah, this is my one and only little Fendi tote. So this is my last bag, and this is actually my most recently purchased bag. I purchased it in the beginning of 2021 off of the RealReal. It is a Miu Miu bag, and I love this bag. I got this bag for two specific reasons. It's like a combination of two of my dream bags. One of my dream bags is from the grocery collection that Chanel did in 2014. It's like a large flap bag with the plastic handles, and it opens this way, but there's still a flap on the front. I would love to get that bag someday. So this is my Miu Miu little tote bag. You turn it around. So it has the embossed logo right there. Sorry about the lighting. And it is this beautiful blue color, and it opens like kind of like a grocery tote, and I just think it's so unique. It's so cool. I absolutely love this bag. I haven't taken it out yet just because I haven't really been going anywhere. This just encompasses my style. I love things that are simple but unexpected. I just love that, and this bag is all of that. It literally is like the blue jean Birkin mixed with the Chanel grocery bag, to me at least, and I love it. Those were all of my luxury bags that I have in my collection so far. So again, those were from 2015 to 2021, and I love these bags so much. I think it's so fun, and I'm so thankful that I'm able to have all of these bags in my collection. I would love if you guys would comment down below your favorite bag from my collection, or anything you thought was interesting, or any information you'd like to give me. That would be great. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys soon.